Time is 7 minutes to 8. It is Thursday the 18th of December, and Christmas is going to come early for some children in London today. There's an organisation, it's called the Kindness Offensive, and it's going to use its Route Master bus to deliver gifts to children in hospitals or care homes. The first stop is going to be at the Royal London Hospital. David Goodfellows is a volunteer with the charity. Good morning to you. So first of all, tell us what's going to happen then this morning.
Well, it's going to be like nothing else ever before, really. What's going to happen this morning is several hundred people are gathering together. Many of them are Catlin Underwriter staff. It's actually the Catlin group who've come together with us to make today possible. So several hundred people are going to gather together in Lombard Street in central London, where I'm standing right now, looking out over a room filled with over 15,000 brand new toys.
Wow, how did you get so many? Did you raise money? Were they gifts from toy manufacturers? How do you get so many?
Well, one of the unique things about the Kindness Offensive is that we don't accept donations from the public. So if any listeners listening to this like what we're doing, we don't accept money from individuals. So that leaves us exclusively asking for help from corporations. We figure that they have the majority of the funding, so they are the correct people to go and ask for help from. So it's all come from a variety of different sponsors who've all come together to make Christmas a little bit jollier for considerable number of people.
And when we talk about children in hospitals and people in care homes, so that's quite a wide range of gifts. How are you going to actually make sure that the right gift goes to the right person?
Well, we do our best. That's one of the more challenging aspects of trying to fill Santa's shoes. It began for us about 4 months ago with a dialogue with over 27 different charities about their clients, i.e. their children, their needs, the kind of stuff that might be helpful. Give you one example, like the hospitals like things called therapeutic toys, and they're toys that children can squeeze because that helps build muscles, and also because they're rubbery and squeezable, they can go into a dishwasher and be cleaned and go back on the ward. So lots of little details like that, because different children have different developmental stages and different abilities. So we have that dialogue, and when we finish that dialogue, we then go around like crazy men, finding all the bits and pieces that the different charities that we work with want to give away to the children and teenagers that they support during this season.
Now, David, I know it's a special day as well for another reason today, because you founded the charity The Kindness Offensive, the Catlin Kindness Offensive, and you're getting recognition for that today from the Prime Minister himself.
How funny is that? I've got to clarify, we're not a charity, we're not a religion, we're not a social enterprise, we are just a group of friends. So I've got to correct you on that.
Okay, well, I meant with a kind of huge charitable thrust, though. You may not be a registered charity,
sure.
But what you do is great charity work.
It's charitable work. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. The Prime Minister has taken recognition of the fact that we are going to break a world record today, giving away more toys than anyone else has ever given away in one day. He apparently loves the spirit of it. I got a phone call from the Cabinet Office, which I thought it was a joke initially when they called up.
Maybe it was.
Sure. Well, the thing is, given my group of mates, they wouldn't put it past them. Maybe the next call will be from Obama. I took the call. It was a bit of a laugh. I couldn't bring myself to take it overly seriously because, I thought it was a joke. But it turns out they were interviewing me to find out a bit more about the project and some different bits and pieces. And they called back a week later, and they said that I've won this thing called the Point of Light Award. And apparently this is something that George Bush Sr. dreamt up in the States, which probably accounts for why it's got such a naff name. And
steady on.
Let's put it this way: it's a very American-sounding award for an English Prime Minister to be handing out. But nonetheless, they announced
very
it.
Welcome. And lovely. And do you think it's just because of the fact? Do you think, be it having a surname like Goodfellows, that you've always felt a compunction to live up to it?
There's a special word, isn't there, for people who believe that your name dictates your life? I forget. There's a kind of science to that. Yeah, that is actually the real technical term.
David, you're a great spot. We've got to leave it there, I'm afraid, because the travel is leaving. Have a wonderful day today. David Goodfellows there, founder of the organisation The Kindness Offensive, which uses the Kinder Route Master bus to distribute, it sounds like 15,000 plus toys to London's children and teenagers in hospitals or in care.
And here's Pippa Spots with the travel.